How to use ShadowSocks in VPNCity. To set up and use ShadowSocks with your VPNCity account, you would need the following 2 items, a paid VPNCity account and stable internet connection. Follow the steps below to start using ShadowSocks via VPNCity. Log on to your VPNCity account * key in your email address and password. Log in my account. 2. Click on ShadowSocks proxy. 3. Under ShadowSocks connection, select your preferred location. Click create my server. 4. Under the easy connection tab, choose an operating system Windows 5. Click on download outline for Windows. 6. After clicking open, pop-up box will appear. Click yes. Wait for setup to complete initializing. 7. Once outline launches, click got it. 7. Click add server. 8. Go back to my account page on VPNCity, copy the access key, paste, click add server. 9. Click on connect. You are now connected. To disconnect, simply click on the disconnect button on the lower right. Hooray! You now have the freedom to bypass all restrictions and make the most out of your online experience with the use of ShadowSocks.